We have some big news coming in. Mamata Banerjee claims vaccine shortage in the state of West Bengal. She writes a letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mamata Banerjee in her letter says centre's vaccine supply is erratic. COVID cases are surging in Bengal. Not received any clearance on purchasing vaccine doses directly with the state funds. She further says that there is scarcity of supply of medicines like remdesivir. Mamata Banerjee also adds that the supply of oxygen must be certain. Remember, this comes at a time when West Bengal is seeing a surge in cases. The poll-bound state, we're looking at 6 phases of polls that already has gone by. Now, Mamata Banerjee now pushing for the centre for flow of medicines like remdesivir and also upping the vaccination drive in the state of West Bengal. She claims that the centre's vaccine supply is erratic. This is a letter that she's written to the Prime Minister saying the centre's vaccine supply is erratic. West Bengal isn't gotten enough vaccines as yet. She says COVID cases are surging in West Bengal. Not received any clearance on purchasing vaccine doses directly with the state funds. Mamata Banerjee further adding that there is scarcity of supply of medicines like remdesivir. Suryagni Roy joining us live for more details on that. Suryagni, please take us through what more do we know that's in this letter where Mamata Banerjee accuses the government, the central government, of supplying erratic supply of vaccines and says that West Bengal does not have enough, the government isn't doing enough to supply.
Well, Nabila, if you just look at the past one and a half months, Mamata Banerjee time and again has stated that she had repeatedly asked the central government to, make arrangements that she can buy it from the source of the central government and distribute it to the general people for free. Now, this is in terms of vaccination. Now, today she writes a letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which it's a 4-pointer letter. Firstly, she states that that clearance of buying vaccination from source has not been given to the state government as of yet. Secondly, there is a more requirement of vaccination for the state, especially when Kolkata itself has 2.75 crore individuals, and that all these people need to be vaccinated. That's what the letter says. Thirdly, she also speaks of remdesivir, which is a very, very important medicine which is being used to tackle corona. Patients are being given that. She asked the central government to send more supplies. The letter which the Chief Minister has written to the Prime Minister clearly reads that the supply of vaccination has been erratic. This is a pretty huge allegation that Mamata Banerjee is making on the Prime Minister. Even now, she is campaigning, she is doing a Padayatra on her wheelchair, and amidst this road show kind of a thing, she has already written to the Prime Minister asking for more vaccination. Back to you, Nabila.
We see that you're part of this campaign trail with Mamata Banerjee right behind you on a wheelchair. She is continuing her campaigning. But that's the tragic part here. We're looking at COVID cases on the rise across the country. West Bengal is no different. A surge in COVID-19 cases. Yet we are seeing political parties, be it the BJP for that matter, and even Mamata Banerjee, who's written a letter to the centre calling the vaccine supply as erratic. She too isn't really resisting from carrying out mass rallies and campaigns through this poll-bound state.
Nabila, the count is 7,713. That is the number of cases that have been registered in the past 24 hours in West Bengal. That's not a small number, Nabila. But if you just look at the political itinerary of the day, the two big guns, that is one, Mamata Banerjee, the second one, Amit Shah, both of them are conducting these road shows or rallies or sabhas. The only political party that is refraining from this is the CPIM. However, today morning, Rahul Gandhi tweeted on this entire issue. He stated that looking at the COVID scenario, he is cancelling his, events. But there is another question to the entire particular tweet, which is that is it Rahul's personal public gatherings or is that the official stand of the Congress? Because the left, the alliance partner, has completely barred itself from conducting public gatherings, public road shows. And but one more thing we need to know, that the Trinamool candidate from Bhawanipur, veteran leader Shobhandev Chatterjee, even he last night at around 12, he tweeted and stated that he will not be, conducting public gatherings, public road shows. So there have been instances where political parties or leaders have come out, but when it comes to the Trinamool and the BJP at large, they are still continuing with their events.
Suryagni, it is individuals that we see largely who are showing some consciousness, but parties at large aren't really hesitating from carrying out these massive rallies.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.